guys, and welcome back to another installation of What's in My Skincare Fridge. This is for April of 2023. Yeah, I can't believe it's been 2 months already either. I know, it doesn't feel like that long, but February is a short month, and March came and went, and here we freaking are. So I guess we're just gonna dive right in over here. So let me carefully step around my tripod, and we will start with the top layer. So the first newbie that is so new I haven't even used it yet is the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. So I'm assuming this is a sample size. It's itty bitty. I have 2 of it, but haven't even used this yet. It's that new. I just rolled it in yesterday, but I haven't used it yet. We have this remainder of the Spa-scriptions Gold Gel Face Mask. It's about halfway done. Honestly, I thought I was going to polish it off yesterday when I used it, and there's still this much left, so there's at least 1 more use, if not 2. We've still got this Sweet Chef Superfood Plus Moisture Vitamins and Moisture Boost Moisturizer in there. So this one currently, I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera. This is where we're at with that. But it's also like a curved bottom in this, so I'm thinking we're getting close to the bottom edge, especially in that back corner there. So I'm hoping it won't be too much longer on this one, and by the next update, this should, by all accounts, be long done by then and out. And I will never have to think about that again because I don't have any more of it. I have no intentions of buying more of it. I don't remember if this was in the last update or not, but it's the Tarte Shape Tape Eye Cream. I have no idea how much is left of this. It hasn't been rolled in that long. Holding it up to the light doesn't really seem to help try to see through it, so this one's a mystery. I guess it'll be in until it's not. When it stops working, I guess that's when it'll go out. We still have untouched this Pure Heals by Nature Village Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask that I still have yet to even try. Maybe my next update it'll be used, maybe my next update it'll be gone. I don't know. We have the Chase and Rabbit's Mindful Bubble Cleanse, extra clean with activated charcoal and bamboo water. I think this is to about right here, if I'm seeing correctly through the light. There's still quite a bit in there. Honestly, this one cannot be used every day. It'll strip your skin way too much. So honestly, I keep forgetting it's in there, especially since I'm really trying to focus on that Bliss one back there on the bottom shelf and get it done. Once that's out, then I can better focus on the other cleansers I have in there. We also have, which I forgot was in here, this Balance Me AHA Glow Mask, which I think I used? Yeah, I've used this one. It's not empty yet, but I have tried it. I am ashamed to report that the Acure SPF 30 has still gone untouched, but in my defense, today is literally the first sunny day we've had almost all year. I went on a walk, and because it's been so long since we've had even a single sunny day, forgot all about this. So hopefully, as the weather is starting to get at least a tiny bit better, I'll have another shot and use this. Because honestly, this is not big. This shouldn't take long to use up once I just actually start using it. Per usual, this ain't going anywhere, just my quartz roller. We have my Ilamasqua Hydroveil, whatever this is, Hydroveil, yeah, it's just called Hydroveil. I thought there was more to the name, I guess there's not. So, at least now, we're getting to a point, ooh, the whole thing came out, where we can see how far down in there it is, and you can see through to the bottom how shallow it is of what's left. So, I don't know how many more updates this will be in, if any. But I'm finally making some headway on this one, because for the longest time it felt like no matter how much I use it, it never moves. It just self-heals, and you don't see progress. But even with that self-healing, you can finally see it moving down in the jar, so thank God for that. We've still got the Bliss Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator. So this one is currently at hardly anything used, because I've been so working on the other moisturizers in here. This one hasn't seen a lot of play yet. So let me go ahead and reload up that top shelf, and then I'll re-aim the camera down to the bottom shelf. Okay, got it aimed at the bottom shelf. So in this bottom shelf we have got, I think this is new since the last update. We had the little mini version of this before, but now we have the full size of my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Knights and my Dewdrops. So I'm happy to have the full size in there finally. This one, holding it up to the light, it's currently right where my finger is pointing. You can probably see that line very subtly in there. So lots of product still in there, and when it's gone, I have another of it. So we're good to go on that guy. We have got the Pixie Skin Treats Rose Glow Mist. This one has seen some use. I don't know if you guys can tell it has seen some use, but it has seen some use, and I have decided, yeah, I think I'm going to keep it in for now. I think it's okay still. Initially, I was iffy at the start of the year. I don't know what I thought I saw in it, but apparently I must have been on crack, because there's nothing in there. It's just fine. Hasn't done anything horrible to my skin as I've used it, so I'm going to keep using it and just use it quickly to try to get it used up. Same story as the Acure. We do not need to harp on this, but same frickin' story. We have our Pixie Regular Glow Mist, which is still mostly full and still mostly untouched because I've been focusing so hard on the Rose Glow Mist, wanting to use that up first since it's older. This I honestly keep forgetting is back there. My Honey Jarrett Clean Whip Cleanser. I need to use that, but because I keep focusing on that frickin' Bliss one, I keep forgetting this is even there. I'm like, it's literally unopened. That's a pretty good reason why I forget it's there. I've literally not even gotten to try it yet. This guy is so close to done, it hurts. You have no idea how much it pains me that this one wasn't completed by this update. By next update, for certain it will be done. Can you guys see the line in it? It's up to here now. That's all that's left. That's all that's left. That little tiny bit. That's it. Because it's one of those where it's the airless pump, so it goes from the bottom to the top instead of vice versa, so it is so close to done, it hurts. My little Ulla Henriksen serum was also one of this type, and I thought I had a little left in it when it was looking just like this, and then it just stopped working and I realized it's empty, so any freaking time now, this should be empty. It's so close. Like I said, it's so close, it hurts, but by next update, should for sure be gone. Hell, I would say by the end of this week, it should be gone. This one I'm so excited to show you the progress on. The Cottage Greenhouse one, that pomegranate rejuvenated facial serum. It is now down to here. I'm trying to get where the light's catching it. Okay. Can you guys see it? Because I'm trying to hold it up. I don't know that it's catching it in a way where you can actually see, but maybe. But yeah, it is way down to here, just above the top of this line of text now. So if it has moved that much since the last update, there is no good goddamn reason why by next update this should not be gone. I'm just saying. Especially since this is like the last hurrah. This is like the final rush. Because if it's not used up by summer, it will sit in there until we hit winter. So I really am making the concerted effort to get it gone before summer. So we will see. But I'm pretty sure by like the end of this month, this should be gone for how quick it's going. we have got, it's a little wet from the base in there, the Belief Hungarian Water Essence. I have no idea how much is in here because I cannot see through it at all looking at it in the light, no matter what kind of light I hold it up to. So I guess this one will just be in there. Even trying to shake it around, I don't hear like anything, so I really truly don't know. So I guess I'll use it till it stops working, and then I have one more of this in the same size, so. This guy. This fucking guy. It's still not done, and I could cry. It's the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for anyone who has not watched all of the many updates that this has been just chilling in here. It is now down to, holding it up to the light right now to get it. Okay, where my thumbnail is, that's where we're down to now. It's literally there and down. So I don't know if it'll be done this month or next month, but by next frickin' update, this should be gone. Note the should, because in case it's not, I'm giving myself some wiggle room, but there is no damn reason why this shouldn't be gone by the next update. For the progress I have seen since the last update, it should be, because last update, weren't we like up to here or some bullshit? I'm pretty sure, and now we're down to like here. So if we made that much of a leap in that amount of time, that last little bit should be nothing. Again, should be, and actually are two different things many times, so we'll see, but this is my guesstimate. And then back here, currently, I have a Starry, because they're yummy, and I've really been digging these ever since I tried it. So okay, let me load this back up, and then we'll look at the stuff in the door. Okay, I'm hoping this angle will work for the door, but anyway, so, we have got, the last little bit of, if I can get it out of there, the Aphrodite Olive Oil Deep Cleansing Face Mask. There is so little left in this. I'm honestly amazed this wasn't gone the last time I used it. There is definitely no more than a single use left in this. So I'm quite frustrated that it's not yet totally gone. That's how little is left. We're getting there. And then we still have these two guys, which since last update, shamefully, have not seen use. And then of the actual sheet masks, we have the BioBell #Vitamin C mask. We've got the Walgreens Detoxify Facial Mask with Manuka Honey. Oh, these two are stuck together, so that'll be fine. We have the Yesta Tomatoes Clear Skin Acne Fighting Bubbling Paper Mask. The Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. We have the Yesta Cucumbers Soothing Calming Bubbling Paper Mask. The Walgreens Anti-Aging Facial Mask with Argan Oil. The Benton Aloe Soothing Mask Pack. Almost missed it. The Milani Blueberry Replenishing Facial Mask. The Patchology Mood Mask Get Dewy With It Mega Moisture Sheet Mask. The Burt's Bees Renewing Biocellulose Gel Mask, which, didn't notice this when I bought it, so hopefully that doesn't end up a problem for me. The Sephora Pineapple Face Mask. And the Sephora Watermelon Face Mask. Yes, I had a coconut one. Yes, I gave it to my mom. So let me load these back up in the door and we will wrap this up. And that is it for another bi-monthly update of the What's in My Skincare Fridge series. So anyways, how do you think I did progress-wise? I'm not too mad about stuff, but there's some stuff that I'm frustrated that just isn't gone yet. But Next time. We'll get them next time. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.